In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable form in DocuSign. Whether you're managing contracts, agreements, or any documents that require signatures, learning this process can significantly streamline your workflow. So, let's dive in and start with the very first step. When you begin, head to your homepage. Here, you're going to either click on Start or navigate to the Agreements section and select Start Now. This will guide you to the Setup section where you can begin crafting your fillable form. Make sure you are logged into your DocuSign account to gain access to these options. Now, it's time to upload the documents that you want to make fillable. You do this by selecting files from your computer that are expected to be transformed into fillable forms. It's important to note that the documents should be prepped and ready, making this step a lot smoother. Upload them and watch as DocuSign processes the document, allowing you to move on to the next step. Once your documents have been successfully uploaded, you'll need to enter the name and email addresses of the individuals who need to sign the document. These are usually the recipients who are supposed to fill out parts of this form. After inputting this necessary information, simply click Next to proceed. With the documents and recipient details all set, you'll be taken to a workspace with a variety of tools at your disposal. Here in the Standard Fields section, you will find the options to drag and drop fields into your document. This part is crucial as you need to decide where on the document you want your recipients to sign. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure that your forms are filled out correctly and efficiently. Click and drag the signature fields and place them exactly where they're been needed. This customization makes it easier for signers to know precisely where their input is required. After you've carefully placed all the necessary fields in your document, take a moment to review everything. Double-check your placements, the entered data, and ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, it's time to finalize the process. Simply click Send, and your form will be on its way to the recipients. Creating fillable forms in DocuSign is a straightforward yet powerful way to manage and streamline document workflows. By following these steps, you can efficiently set up forms that are not only easy to fill out, but also legally compliant with electronic signature standards. I hope you found this guide useful and that you feel confident now about creating your own fillable forms in DocuSign. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your document management endeavors.